First, go to this address and download ACCUrig. It's similar to Mixamo, but much better since you can use it offline, and also gives you a lot more options to make the rig better in Blender or any other software. Select your character, make sure it's optimized and not heavy. You can leave out the hair if it's too high poly. Go to File, Export, and while the selected only is enabled, export as OBJ. Open up ACCUrig and click on Choose File. Find your model and import it in. Once loaded, you can determine the center of your character with this line. It should be at the center on default. You can also use Force Symmetry if you want. Then press Rig Body. It might take some time, so chill out. Now it automatically detected all the body parts and placed it in the right position. But it's not fully accurate, so look at the image on the right, turn on Symmetry, and move the dots to that location, especially the shoulders. Then click on Rig Right Hand. Select the number of fingers your character has. If you're making one of those weirdo creatures with 3 fingers, go ahead and put 3. Wait a few seconds and there we have it. It's most likely wrong in some parts, like thumb. So rotate the camera using the hotkeys in the bottom and move the dots to the correct position. Again, look at the image on the right for the reference. Then click on Rig Left Hand and fix the points for this one as well. After that, click on Finalize Character. And beautiful. It's that easy. On the preview motion on the top, you can test out the rig using the ready animations. If the shoulders are too wide like this, you can go back to Body Rig from the left menu. Change the position of the shoulder points and click on Check Animation again. Now it should be much better. On the preview motion menu, switch to Hand Tab and check if your fingers are doing fine. If they bend at the wrong areas, you can always go back to the hand rig and fix it. If you think it's good, click on Export and export as FBX. Select the software you want. We're gonna export it to Blender. You can change the size of the texture map from here. Then click on Export. Now we're gonna convert it to the rigify so you can use it easily in Blender. So download CC Blender Tool add-on. Just hit the link in the description and download the latest version from the Asset tab. Then in the Edit, Preference, Add-on, click on Install. Find the add-on and install it. Make sure you turn it on. Press N to bring up the right menu, and in the CC tab, click on Import Character and import the character you exported from ACCUrig. Go to Rig and Animation tab and click on Match Existing Materials. So we have the materials back on the character. I scaled it up to the size of my old character. Now select the rig, and in the bottom, you should see a big button named Rigify. Click on it and wait a few seconds. If you deselected the hair like I said in the beginning, you can place it on the head and attach it to the rig. To do that, just select the hair, then hold Shift and select the rig. Ctrl Tab to go to pose mode, select the circle on top, Ctrl P and click on bone. Now the hair should move with the head. Also, you should be able to move the other parts of the body as well. And that's about it. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to check out my Gumroad and Patreon page to download the 3D files and real-time process of making these characters. See you on the next one. Peace!